Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to take up very important question which I have received from many of the students. Up to which level should I learn German if I would like to pursue my education in Germany? I would give you two methods, or I would say this question has two types of answers. First of all, what kind of education would you like to pursue? Is it in German taught program or is it in English medium? If you are going for German taught program, either for bachelor's or for master's, then you must have C2 level Goethe certificate, C2 level Goethe certificate or TestDaF certificate with 4/4 grade, which is preferable by most of the universities. So remember, I am talking about German taught program, means you will study in German language. Your medium will be German. So for that case, requirement would be C2 level Goethe or TestDaF certificate. Another case is if you are going for higher education, masters I would suggest, because most of the bachelor's program are in German language. So if you are going for masters, whether MBA or mechanical engineering or any other stream in English medium program, then I would say B1 level is sufficient. That is also considerable, because if you are going to Germany and you are studying masters in English medium, then the question is, why should we learn German? You are correct, but the answer is in order to sustain. Outside the university, you will go to the city, you will go to the government offices, you will go for shopping, and you might have to work as a part-time, because not everyone can afford. The cost of living is very high. You know, the price of €1, you can check out. So most of the students work part-time job. So if you want to get a good part-time job and very quickly, you must learn German language. So it is advisable to learn German till B1 level from India and then migrate to Germany and fulfill your purpose. In this situation, you don't need to spend another 6 months in learning German, and that too very expensive in Germany, as I already said. In India, learn German, finish up to B1 level, get a certificate, and then move to Germany, and after taking admission, after getting a room, you're proper, and then you can find easily a job, part-time job, very well paid job. You can work in Germany as a student, and even after finishing your masters, you will get 18 months work permit officially. So it's very useful. So I've explained both the situation, whether you are going for studies in German taught program or in English medium. So requirements are different. So it's your decision. I don't know what is your requirement. Are you going for German taught program or for English medium? But learning German is definitely worth. It will help you. It will help you a long way. So if any other questions, you can write to me, you can email us, or you can write below in the comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.